Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will make something super tasty, but honestly speaking, I'm not sure how to call it. Cakes, croquettes, cutlets, patties, doesn't matter. It's gonna be incredible combination of potatoes and tuna fish. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. To create this super simple and super tasty dish, you need bowl like this and food processor like this. Professor Marek is about to operate. Hot frying pan, oil is on. Now, patty is landing. Look at this beautiful patty. Smells fantastic. Time to serve this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious potatoes, tuna fish patties are landing in my office. Bon appetit. Bon appetit very much. Another so simple and so delicious stuff just landed in my office. Incredible. Okay, now with salsa.